Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today I have a brand new 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor. This one's an 800A package in the star white metallic paint, and it just arrived and looks fantastic. Love the look of these wheels with the little accent where you fill your tires. Nice all-terrain tires on there. This one's powered by the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, and it does have the Tremor convenience package as well. Sorry, it's a bit hard to see. You do have your rear parking sensors, your trailer hitch with your 7 and 4 pin connections. Love the rear design on these Explorers. It is a power tailgate, of course. This Tremor equipment group is very well equipped. You have your floor liners here, power third row seats, so they're folded down at the moment, but be sure to check out the photos in the first link in the description. Then you have some storage underneath there as well. It is a nice power tailgate. Coming around to the second row, I love the seating on these Tremors. It says Tremor on the seats, and it's a really nice Onyx Miko Suede insert with vinyl trim. You have heated outer seats and your own climate controls. I love how the Explorer has the climate vents on the roof for the second and third row passengers. Keeps you nice and cool in the summer. And then on the driver door here, you have power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjustable heated mirrors with blind spot monitoring, driver seat memory, automatic headlights, very comfortable front seats. You have power driver seat with lumbar. Pretty sure the passenger seat is powered with lumbar as well. Yes, it is. And then you have your nice digital display right behind the steering wheel. Heated steering wheel here. You have adaptive cruise control and your lane keeping system here as well. And then you have your nice center display with the new Google Digital Experience. You have your 360 camera there, your climate controls across the bottom there. Nice shelf here, some different power options. Remote start on the key fob, your dial style shifter, all your different drive modes. You have Eco, Sport, Tow Haul. On the other side, you have normal, slippery, and off-road as well. Storage here in the center console, more storage in the lockable glove box, auto dimming rear view mirror, and then your garage door opener, spot for your sunglasses, and some reading lights. So a really nice Tremor all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle or you're interested in a vehicle similar to it, please let me know. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan. And if this particular one is not exactly what you're looking for, please reach out to me and I'll help you get the exact one that you want. If it's not during business hours, you can reach me any time of the day at my cell, 647-546-9348. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you and providing you world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.